Hi everybody, I would like to show you how to install RSapp on your Carloop device. Well, if you have a Focus RS and Carloop device, you have to know Casper's Dust Racing Linux stuff, which you can see is actually up and running. Okay, first of all, let's create a brand new folder on your desktop and name it firmwares. Copy and paste 3 files there. What files, how to get them? Well, you can find direct download link in this movie description. Ha ha ha. Feel free to open particle commands file. It contains few useful commands which we'll use in terminal later on. Someone said terminal? Okay, it's high time to open it. Let's check what version of particle CLI we have installed. As you can see, 2.16 in this case. What is good? For all of you with 3.0 or higher installed, it is not good. You have to downgrade. Follow those commands, please. If you are sure your version of particle CLI is lower than 3.0, you are ready to follow next steps. Back to terminal. Let's get in desktop and then in firmwares folder. Now it's time to connect your Carloop Redbear Duo or Photon dongle to computer and put it in DFU mode. Ladies and gentlemen, flashing time. Depends on your Carloop board, Redbear Duo or Photon. Use correct flash command. In this case, as you can see, I had some, let's say, glitch, and I had to repeat this command to successfully flash my Duo. Okay, that's it. Probably you would like to know how to use RSapp. Yeah, it's logical, definitely. Well, feel free to pick up how to movie link in description. Thanks for watching and have a fun. See ya.